Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra has been going through a tough phase. Many early users are very disappointed about the dull display colors. Even the color options in the settings have no impact on the overall display when set to vivid option. But it seems like Samsung heard us all, and soon there will be an update to fix it all, in an exclusive leak by Ice Universe, who posted on his X account formerly known as Twitter. He said that it has been confirmed that the forthcoming update of the Galaxy S24 series is set to address a significant concern: the lack of vividness in the screen mode. This enhancement is a testament to the brand's commitment to continually improving the user experience. The new update will introduce a Vividness feature, a customizable setting that allows users to adjust the screen's vividness across 3 different levels. This feature ensures that users can tailor their visual experience to their personal preferences. By default, the vividness level will be set to match the current vividness of the S24's screen. This means that users who are already content with the S24's color display need not worry about any drastic changes. However, for those seeking a more vibrant display, the Vividness feature offers 2 additional levels. Increasing the vividness by 1 level will yield a color display akin to the S23 Ultra. For users who prefer an even more vibrant display, increasing the vividness by 2 levels will result in a bright color display reminiscent of the S21 Ultra. This update makes the Galaxy S24 series an even more appealing choice for potential buyers. With the promise of an enhanced visual experience, you can now purchase the Galaxy S24 with increased confidence. All that remains is to await the rollout of this update. In conclusion, this upcoming feature update is a near-perfect solution that addresses the need for a more vivid display while offering users the flexibility to customize their visual experience. It's a clear indication of the brand's dedication to user satisfaction and continual product improvement. With these enhancements, the Galaxy S24 series is poised to offer an unparalleled visual experience that caters to the diverse preferences of its user base. Stay tuned for more updates on this exciting development in the Galaxy S24 series by subscribing to my channel. Also, do you have the same display problem in your S24 Ultra device? Do you think this upcoming update will solve the display issues? Let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.